Are you tired of cooking the same meals every day? Sometimes, it just takes a few surprising ingredients to transform your dishes from boring to extraordinary. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 unexpected ingredients that can upgrade your everyday meals with bold flavors and unique twists. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, these ingredients will bring excitement back to your kitchen. Stick around until the end because I'll share bonus tips on how to experiment with these ingredients and take your cooking to the next level. Before we dive in, drop a comment and let me know what's your go-to secret ingredient in the kitchen. Let's start with our first surprising ingredient, tahini. Tahini is a creamy paste made from ground sesame seeds. You might know it as an essential ingredient in hummus, but it's far more versatile than you think. Why tahini is a game changer? It adds depth to both sweet and savory dishes. Packed with healthy fats, calcium, and protein, it's a nutritious upgrade. You can drizzle it, mix it, or blend it into anything. How to use tahini? Whisk tahini with lemon juice, garlic, and a bit of water for a creamy, tangy dressing. Add a tablespoon to your morning smoothie for a nutty flavor boost. Use tahini in cookies, brownies, or cakes to add richness without butter. If you've never tried tahini, now's the time. Comment below and tell me which recipe you'll try first: salad dressing, smoothie, or baking. Next on the list is smoked paprika, a spice that can instantly transform any dish with its smoky, slightly sweet flavor. It adds a rich depth of flavor without extra calories. It's a healthier way to bring a smoky barbecue taste to your meals. How to use smoked paprika? Sprinkle it on scrambled eggs or omelets for a bold twist. Toss veggies like potatoes, cauliflower, or carrots with olive oil and smoked paprika before roasting. Rub it on chicken, fish, or tofu for an easy and flavorful upgrade. Combine smoked paprika with garlic powder and salt for a simple but powerful seasoning mix. Do you love experimenting with spices? Let me know your favorite spice mix in the comments below. The final ingredient is miso paste, a Japanese fermented soybean paste that's bursting with umami flavor. It adds a savory, umami punch to almost any dish. It's loaded with probiotics, which are great for gut health. How to use miso paste? Add a spoonful to boiling water for a quick and nutritious miso soup. Mix miso paste with honey, garlic, and soy sauce to create a flavorful marinade for meat or tofu. Stir a little miso into creamy sauces for an unexpected depth of flavor. If you've used miso paste before, share your favorite recipe idea in the comments. If not, let me know which of these tips you'll try first. Now that you know about tahini, smoked paprika, and miso paste, here are a few quick tips to help you experiment confidently in the kitchen. Start small. Introduce one new ingredient at a time to your regular recipes. Taste as you go. Since tahini, smoked paprika, and miso can have bold flavors, add a little at a time. Get creative. Combine these ingredients. For example, miso tahini dressing or roasted veggies with smoked paprika and tahini drizzle. Which ingredient are you most excited to try? Comment below with your answer. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs cooking inspiration. To recap, the 3 surprising ingredients that can upgrade your everyday meals are: tahini for creamy richness and versatility, smoked paprika for bold, smoky flavor, miso paste for that unbeatable umami punch. Incorporating these into your meals can turn simple dishes into something special, all while being nutritious and delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button and subscribe for more cooking tips and food inspiration. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using these ingredients. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!